welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this particular tutorial series, we are looking into the concept of MAAB guideline. And in the MAAB guideline, we are looking into the concept of model hierarchy. In the last tutorial, we have seen similar blocks type in same model level. We will be seeing the use of subsystems or subfunctions. So coming to the subfunctions, so how you should define a subfunction inside the Simulink environment using the MAAB guideline. Coming to the functions, decomposition. So how you should define the function into multiple segments. So the entire operation can be divided into multiple segments based on their functionality. So suppose you have a motor control system, and in the motor control system you have two units. Either you will have a electrical unit or you will have a mechanical unit. In this case, you will be designing electrical unit inside the function 1, and you will be designing the mechanical unit inside function 2. So that way you can separate out both the functionalities, and when debugging it will be more easy, and you can find whether it is an issue with the electrical functionality or it will be an issue with the mechanical functionality. So this is how you can divide any functionality into multiple segments by using the function of operations. Next is the same example. We can divide the subsystems or the functions into multiple segments by using the variant timings. Suppose one subsystem in the motor control system, suppose with the same example, has one subsystem. Like out of these two subsystem, one has the 20 millisecond sample time. So in this case, the function will be executed every 20 millisecond. There is one more function which execute at 10 milliseconds. When you have different in the timings, so suppose you have two timings in which you need to have in a subsystem or in a function, then in that case you need to separate it out because those will be triggered at multiple different times. Suppose you have a 40-second time interval. In this case, your subsystem 1 will get triggered twice. This will be triggered 4 times. So you need to separate out both the functionalities into multiple subfunctions based on this concept. Another use case is the reliability, like as grouping of multiple functions into one place. So based on the requirement that you have, like suppose you need to have a engine control module. In that you also need to integrate a transmission module. Then in that case you can group all those functionality, and there will be a different functionality based on ADAS also. Suppose you can group those functionality into different groups. So you can have a powertrain related functionality, and you will have a ADAS related functionality. Based on this, you can group your entire functions into multiple groups. That is one use case. So the grouping is based on the convenience. So here it is more convenient to put all the engine related functions or the transmission related function. Here you can put camera related function, you can put steering control related functions based on the camera feedback. So that is grouping based on that. That is how you can divide a bigger function into multiple subfunctions based on the MAAB guideline. This is all about the use of subfunctions in this tutorial. In case you have any query or comment, please let us know in the comment section. We will be more than happy to help you to clarify all your doubts in the channel. Have a great day ahead and happy learning MATLAB. Stay connected. Thank you.